What's up guys? How you doing? It's your girl Ivy and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, karibu sana, kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. And welcome to the family. And today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy ugali out of your leftover ugali without throwing it away or wasting it. So stay tuned. So with me, I have the leftover ugali right here. I have paprika, I have black pepper, I have 4 eggs, I have salt, and you'll also need oil and a pan. So I'll show you how I'm going to slice this ugali and how we're going to make it. So stay tuned. So guys, your ugali should start looking like this brown. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this brown, both sides. So yeah. So guys, you've seen the result from the leftover ugali to the yummy ugali. And this yummy ugali, you can take it with greens, with sukuma wiki, with mboga kienyeji. You can take it with meat, as I like mine with meat. And yeah, and thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And please stay safe and stay home. And yeah, we'll all be okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video again. And I appreciate the support that you've shown to me and never take it for granted. So guys, I love you. Ciao.